What's going on, guys? It has been raining every day since we've been here, so I decided why not do swimming in the rain in the ocean. As you can see, it's raining. Here we are at the ocean. Let's see what it's like to swim underwater in the ocean while it's raining. Check it out. Here we go. Whoa. It's kind of funny because I don't even have to be underwater to get wet because it's just raining. So it's like underwater, above water, swimming. Guys, swimming in the ocean while it's raining. Like I said, it's kind of like being underwater without being underwater. No matter if you're above or below, you're just getting wet. So there you have it. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you've ever been swimming in the rain before, and as always, turn on your notifications. Peace.